saying no. What are you doing?
Well, I'm a cow.
No, yeah, you are not a cow, you are you.
This is not a farm, okay? It's, wait, actually, maybe it is a farm. Aha, so let's sing this song and then we're gonna show you how to do it with your kids, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. The farmer in the farm, the farmer in the farm. Hi-ho-a-dairy-o, the farmer in the farm. The farmer plants the seeds. The farmer plants the seeds. The farmer plants the seeds. Hi-ho-a-dairy-o, the farmer plants the seeds. The farmer gets the eggs. The farmer gets the eggs. Hi-ho-a-dairy-o, the farmer gets the eggs. What's next? The farmer picks the corn. The farmer picks the corn. Hi-ho-a-dairy-o, the farmer picks the corn. Woo! The farmer makes a cow. The farmer makes a cow. Hi-ho-a-dairy-o, the farmer makes a cow. Back to the beginning. Okay, so now, who wants to be the farmer? I want to be the farmer.
I want to be the farmer.
You are the farmer. Who wants to plant the seeds?
I want to plant the seeds, please.
Who wants to get the eggs? I want to get the eggs.
I want to get the eggs, please. Thank you.
Who wants to pick the corn?
I want to pick the corn.
And I milk the cow. Okay, so in this we're gonna sing the song again, but every time someone is mentioned, that person goes in the middle and sits down with the other. Okay, ready? We're gonna start with the farmer in the farm. 1, 2, 3, 4. The farmer in the farm. The farmer in the farm. Hi-ho-a-dairy-o, the farmer in the farm. So you sit down, And who wants to play? I want to play.
Can I play, please?
Yes, the farmer plants the seeds. The farmer plants the seeds. The farmer plants the seeds. Hi-ho-a-dairy-o, the farmer plants the seeds. Okay, and you sit down. I want to play, please.
I want to play, please.
Okay, the farmer picks the corn. The farmer picks the corn. The farmer picks the corn. Hi-ho-a-dairy-o, the farmer picks the corn. And of course, everybody's singing. Even everyone here is singing. I want to play.
I want to play, please.
The farmer gets the eggs. The farmer gets the eggs. The farmer gets the eggs. Hi-ho-a-dairy-o, the farmer gets the eggs. You sit down and when there's only one person, everybody comes back and we all sing together again. The farmer milks the cow. 1, 2, 3, 4. The farmer milks the cow. The farmer milks the cow. Hi-ho-a-dairy-o, the farmer milks the cow. Yeah!